That's for spoiling Endgame. Alright, Maury. I'ma go to Comic-Con again. So I'll be back tonight.
Alright, whatever. See you tonight. Wait, hold on. What are you cosplaying as?
Myself?
What? How will anyone recognize you?
Oh, you'll see. Just watch.
Oh look, it's Richard from Full Mates.
I can't believe it. I'm like your biggest fan, man. Come on, Rich, say the line.
$50.
Oh, he said it.
Wait, so if everyone recognizes you, will anyone recognize me?
Try it out.
Hey look, it's Charlie Brown!
No, I'm actually...
Oh, look! It's Mordecai from Regular Show!
Nah, dude, it's Benson.
Fuck.
Man, this episode is great. Yeah, best episode yet. Richard is my man, fool. Full Mates. More like chocolate. I really don't get what you guys have over this obscure webtoon made by some individual dork that's driving you this crazy. His cartoons are really short. The person has like 400 subscribers and it's the same thing as our webtoon. The only difference is the 320 characters are a black guy. Like, come on, it's not that good. I don't know why you guys are so overly passionate about it that you managed to get all this merchandise we're all wearing. I mean, what is this? Where did you guys get this stuff? His TeePublic page. TeePublic? And where did you even get the money for this stuff? We did what Richard did! What are you talking about? What